Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how you can reverse the video on Canva with this method. So guys, and Canva, there are not option directly to reverse the video, but I will use this tool guys to reverse the video. This is simple tool, and this is my video I want to reverse. For example, this video, what you have to do guys, all you have to do, just go to this website as GIF as you can see here, and go to video to GIF section, and from here upload your video. This is my video, and after that click upload the video guys, and just wait a few seconds. Sorry guys, go to reverse option here and upload your video, and go to reverse and upload video, and choose this option, uploading video. So guys, with this method you will reverse your video on Canva without any complicated process and with easy simple steps. Just wait a few seconds to upload this video. And this is my video guys. You want to add the reverse. This is the sign of the car, as you can see here guys. This is the red car, and to reverse, wait a few seconds guys, and it take some second guys, 5 or 20. This is, and click reverse. After that, scroll down, click reverse the video, and your reversed video output, as you can see here guys, and just await. And as you can see here, you will be ready of this video. And this is my video guys. You want to reverse. This is the video guys, as you can see here, was reversed without any complicated. Thanks guys for watching this video, and see you on another video soon.